Window air conditioners and back injuries. Air conditioners and back injuries, this is a serious phenomenon. It just came up again in my office, so I wanted to talk about it. I have a solution. Yeah, one person is going to say, get some central air. Of course, that's something that would fix that. But those of you with window air conditioners, if you're putting them in and taking them out on your own and you're getting back injuries, we need to correct that. Okay. So a woman had just come into my office. She just got over a back episode. And she said, yeah, I'm not looking forward to it. This week I have to put a window air conditioner in. And I thought, I happened to know her situation. I said, I knew that she had family nearby. I was like, can you get some help from the family? She thought about it. She says, you know, everybody's kind of busy. I could try to ask and so forth. And then I told her the following. I said, look at an air conditioner. It's heavy. It's bulky. You just got over an injury. You're going to be struggling with this. And then she said, you know I can do the small one in the bedroom, but the bigger one in the living room is a problem. I said, stop, don't do it. Is this worth it? Here's the solution I gave her if she doesn't get the family members. Here's the solution. I said, befriend your local high school football players. Now this is a serious thing, and I've had people take me up on this, and it worked beautifully. I said, get a couple of them to come over, pay them $20 each, for 3 minutes of work. It'll be the best $40 you've ever spent. They're happy because they have some money for a really short period of time. You're happy because you didn't have to do it, and you're not going to come in and spend time with me with a back injury and then be out of commission for a while. Do you see? So literally, it was giving some dough to the football players. Of course, it can be any other strong athlete. It doesn't have to be a football player. And getting them doing something, because a lot of them are not doing anything, right? And she knows through family network, and she's got nieces and nephews that would know people that age in high school. She's like, I will absolutely do that. So I've had many patients utilize this scenario. And I said, get these kids in the spring to put them in, and then in the fall, call them again to take them out. Okay? So literally pay people the $20 to do that job. Okay, so that's the first thing. Second thing, if you're going to do it on your own, or don't do it on your own, at least get someone else. Please get someone else. If the two of us are working with an air conditioner together, window air conditioner, it's much more than twice as easy, right? Much more than twice as easy. Person is on this side, I'm on this side. It ends up being so much lighter, easier, you take your time, and there you go, okay? That's number two. Always get help if you're not gonna hire somebody. Always get help. It's more than twice as easy. And back when I was doing construction and yards and so forth, we used the example of taking a regular lawnmower and trying to pick up a lawnmower and put it on a pickup truck by yourself. Not a good thing to do. Yeah, I only did it once or twice if I remember correctly. Doing it with another person is more than twice as easy, okay? So keep that in mind. Always get help. Number three, and this is an important thing, no matter if you're gonna hire somebody or get help, when you're storing your air conditioner, let's say in the basement, wherever you're putting it, your window air conditioners, store it up high, store it on something that's up. Don't put it on the floor, because it's on the floor, it's so much more difficult to get down there and get it back up, right? So plan ahead if you can, if you have the space, plan ahead, get it up at waist level, right? So when you're carrying it down to its storage spot, you can slide it right on there, you and your help or your hired help, whatever it is, and put it there. So come the spring, it's much easier to retrieve, you get it to where it's going to go, and then you put it into the window. Very important, I have had way too many people coming into my chiropractic office with back injuries from window air conditioners. It happens at least a few times a year. It's something that we can easily avoid with these strategies, so be sure and do that. I'm Dr. Scott Fuller.